Okay guys, welcome back. Just want to announce I've been working on my shop card. A lot of you have been probably wondering, well, why on earth doesn't he have a shop card? We send him ours, he doesn't send us anything. Well, I I don't know. The idea didn't come to me till recently, and that's kind of what I come up with. I'm still working on it here in Photoshop. You're gonna have to imagine it without the dust and the glare and the hey, look at there. That's kind of a neat effect. Maybe I should. Look at this. That's my heater over here. Because you know how cold it is in Florida. But, wow, that's giving a neat effect. Kind of do a silhouette. Maybe I should work that in there. I'm kidding, of course. But that would be neat. Anyway, let me try to get a different angle. There we go. It's a little darker. Gives you a better idea of what it's going to look like. It is black in the background there, and these are the spotlight photos that I had taken. That's my 37 there, and that is my 57 Corvette, and that is the Tarantula. And we're going to keep it simple. We're going to leave those on there like they are, and just showing that I'm from YouTube. And something else, I'm looking at everybody else's shop cards here. I got to remember to put my real name on there, maybe something about plastic models, and my email address. But I'll get it all on there. I'm just giving a rough idea of what it's going to look like. It's going to be pretty neat. And I've got it set up here in Photoshop to be a 4x6. We're going to keep it small. Just because, say for example, like Bernie's card up there I think is a 4x6, and Kenny's and Matt's, these, and then some of the larger ones there like Dave's. We have so many of these, and I see some of you guys have, gosh, many, and walls are only so big. I've got some room left here, but you know, I'm setting it up to be a 4x6 just to save on everybody's space. Oh yeah, so I'm getting ready. I need some idea of how many of these to print up, so I will put my email address on the screen here somewhere and down in the description. So email me with your address so that I can get some idea of, you know, so I know where to send it, and how many I need to print, and how many stamps to get, and how much trouble I'm in. Because even like Steve there, I'll definitely send you one. You sent me one. So I'm saying I'll mail to Canada. I don't know exactly how far. I guess I'll mail anywhere. I mean, it's just a card. How much could it be? How much could it be, Steve? What is it, like $10 to send a card to Canada? What am I in for? But if you have sent me one, i.e. you see your card on my wall here, I kept your envelope, and so if you see your card here, that means I will send you back one because of your return address. With the exception of Matt there. Matt just handed me this at Modelpalooza. So I'm going to need Matthew's address. Anybody else? My favorite one down there, Fubar. That's my favorite one, Benny. Anyway, still working on the shop card. Email address on the screen. Email me with your address, your real address, so that I know where to send it to. And yeah, get ready. They're finally coming. So yeah, especially you up there, Jimmy and Leilani. I need your address, and I need your shop cards. I don't have your shop card, Jimmy. Look at this. I need Jimmy's and Leilani's up there. I'm going to put Leilani's right next to my daughter's. I want to put Leilani's card right there. Heck yeah. But don't worry, I have plenty of room. I have these doors up here. I can put them all over the doors up there, and I'll put some on the ceiling there and over there. I'll take this thing off and put some over there. And if I outgrow this whole place, I got all this space on the walls up here and everything. Don't worry, you send a shop card, I will put it up. So anyway, that wraps it up for this. Is just a public service announcement. And yeah, sorry guys, it's just taking so long, but I will get it out to you and be part of this community, and happy to do it. So let me know, guys, and y'all have a good one.